Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. As part of the Miss Universe Philippines continuing advocacy of love for all, Miss Universe Philippines 2024, Chelsea Manalo, together with the MUPH Head of Advocacy and Women Empowerment, Leah Andrea Ramos, celebrated the 28th Migrant Workers Days at the Department of Migrant Workers Office, and the occasion marked as historic first the signing of a long-term partnership between DMW and the Miss Universe Philippines and the Miss Philippines org to help promote the department's program and help advance the welfare of migrant workers and the families they left behind. And Chelsea, together with the migrant workers, are unsung heroes, and we can all work together to make our voices be heard and influence positive change. Let's show love for migrant workers, not just today, but every day. Thank you. Thank you to Secretary Hans Kakdak. Thank you to Secretary Hans Kakdak. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!